Here we are at the farm. Finally got Charlie up here for a barbie. There's nothing better than cooking on charcoal.
But you can just keep on hooking each way.
The flavour, that beautiful char.
I'll lower it down. I hate hammering gas cooking, but there's just no other way to do it.
It's just the best. You can take your time with it. I find it really therapeutic. Look at the quality of this barbecue. You don't get any better than this.
That's what I love seeing. Someone just who loves cooking and loves food, feeding a group of people. Yum.
I've been asking him to come up here for ages for a barbie, show him how it's done. And of course, Charlie has to bring his own barbecue. Didn't you, buddy?
Of course. Oof, look at that steak.
Charlie, thanks for the barbie.
Thank you.
Pleasure, buddy. That's perfect by me.